You the real MVP.
I don't think they ready. What's going on? It's Bapetown. So I know most of this stuff is the HERON Preston collab. Kinda excited myself and to show you guys what this is looking like. They usually don't do billboard ads for drops, so they did some extra stuff with this collab.
Shake your body, move your body.
Like always, gonna start off with the small ones. The color camo purple shark tee. The new color camo green Big Ape head tee. The color camo purple Big Ape head tee. Ah, there it is. The HERON Preston Relax tee. Okay, so off top, much bigger packaging. Ah, yes, and of course, got to have that orange when it's HERON Preston.
I'm beginning to see a pattern here.
Which is pretty cool because BAPE rarely drops the orange camo. So this tee came out in 3 colorways. Is this all the black? Yeah, all the black. Let me go ahead and open this bad boy up, give y'all a better look. So not a true black colorway, more of a dark gray. Now this is a relax fit tee, so it fits oversized, so you gotta be careful.
I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray.
Got the Big Ape head print, orange BAPESTA logo, HERON Preston in purple.
It's purple.
Here on the left sleeve, looks like we got the signature orange tag, just like every other HERON Preston clothing, but we got that BAPE logo with it, which is pretty clean. Anything on the back? Nope, just the BAPESTA text logo here at the top. Now, although this is the first item, looking at this and an IG post I remember seeing, looked like he went back into the archives and remixed it with some of his designs. Oversized Big Ape head, color camo purple, not too bad of a tee. Alright, that was one of the tees. Oh damn, we getting to the heavy stuff now.
Heavy.
The Mix First Camo Duck Painter Pants. So basically a denim, got a mix of that first camo yellow and green with the color camo purple. Pretty unique mix of colors. That's kinda clean. Signature orange tag, and a nice little design highlight.
Ape has never killed ape.
What we got on the back? Got a real big BAPESTA text logo on the back. Got a smaller one here on the right side. My opinion, I could have done without the big logo on the back. Personally, I wouldn't wear it, but overall, clean, unique pair of denim. My bad guys, we back. Alright, so this box feels a bit clunky. I'm thinking, yep, there it is, the HERON Preston BAPESTAs. Now I want to do these last because I got a lot to say about them. So we'll come back to these. But while we're here, we can take a look at the box. HERON Preston at the very top. Look like it's all oranged out except for the box lid. Okay. Bet, we'll come back to these. Ah, the mesh caps. I've always been a fan of BAPE hats. Well, except for the bucket cap. Got the same Mix First Camo with the color camo purple nylon meshing, signature orange tag. Yeah, I remember this bad boy sold out first. A quick wearable item in a collection always goes out quick. Alright, bet. So, got the tees, same design, denim, caps, BAPESTAs, which we're gonna come back to. This is a pretty big collection, kind of remind me of the OVO. I think we got about 3 more items. Yeah, let's go and hit this 3.
Ben Simmons.
Let's go home, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go, the sweatpants. So off top, instead of the back like the denim, we got the BAPESTA text logo on the front. And going down the legs, look like we got a few BAPESTA logos. Anything on the interior? Nope, no design on the interior. And on the back, we got more star graphics. These sweatpants are starred out. A crinkled finish. If y'all had to choose, sweatpants or denim, sweatpants got a bit too much going on. And I think the denim can match with most stuff. That's just me though. The Mix First Camo Tracker Jacket. Damn, this is a thick ass jacket.
That's a thick ass boy! Damn!
You can tell it's real workwear inspired. That heavy durable material The big ass zippers. Ah, okay, this is what's making it thick. Got this padded lining. And look at that, matches the denim.
Ape has never killed ape.
This jacket not too bad. I'll rock this, but it's hella expensive.
Hell no, goddammit.
Alright, last clothing item. Can't forget about that shark hoodie. So just like everything in this collection, this is also a relaxed fit, so it's gonna be oversized.
Perfect.
There it is. Now in my opinion, this color goes real well with the shark hoodie. I know if I zip this up, I'm gonna have a big ass head.
Look at the top of his head.
Yeah, make sure y'all don't go too big on the size. So just like the sweatpants, you got BAPE right on the front, and you got all kinds of style graphics all throughout, especially the back. Now I did notice no WGM and no tiger graphic. Overall, real clean hoodie. If you do cop, make sure on the sizing. It is oversized, so for a regular fit, size down. If you like that oversized feel, just go with your regular size. Alright, we on to the BAPESTAs now.
Finally!
Bam, here it is. The HERON Preston BAPESTAs. Got a mix of that leather and cotton, and that not too often seen clean orange camo. Embroidered white BAPESTA text logo on the heel. Of course, orange matching insoles. Oh, and look at that, we got two different tongue tabs. Now, clean color, clean camo. Why'd they drop this in the new gen silhouette?
Damn!
Like for example. Now here's the Jown BAPESTAs in that silhouette BAPE's been using for the past 2 years. Not sure why BAPE didn't use this silhouette. Not 100%, but you can kind of see an OG silhouette in there. It kind of has this sleekness to it. The new gen silhouette always kind of had a clunky look to them. Kind of like you're wearing bricks on your feet.
Big feet, motherfucker.
Overall, still alright BAPESTA. That's just me though. What y'all guys think? Well, there it is, you guys. The BAPE HERON Preston Collection. What y'all guys think? Personally, I like the tee, cap, shark hoodie, and I'll give an honorable mention on the BAPESTAs. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!
Oh, I'm an island boy, I'm a fashion Nova boy. Oh, I put my fashion Nova jacket on. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can't keep getting away with it!